Imagine that the greatest dangers to our future come not from the stars, but from Earth itself. What happens when the ground beneath us becomes our greatest enemy? The oceans, once our cradle of life, are quietly turning against us. From melting ice to rising seas, Earth is rewriting its own story, with us caught in the middle. But what if we could do more than react? What if we could guide the planet itself? Our tools are no longer small. They're audacious, radical, even planetary in scale. The question isn't whether we can protect the Earth, but whether we dare to try. Beneath our feet lie sleeping giants, supervolcanoes, patient but powerful enough to rewrite history. Tens of thousands of years ago, Mount Toba erupted with a force 50 times greater than Tambora, and the world was plunged into chaos. Now, imagine turning that same danger into power, draining heat from magma, and transforming apocalypse into electricity. But not all threats rise from below. The sky itself has begun to turn against us. In 1991, Mount Pinatubo cooled the planet by half a degree. If a single eruption can do this, could we copy it? Solar radiation management. Sunscreen for a feverish planet. A thin veil to bounce back the sun's rays, but block the sun too much, and rains may falter, crops may fail, and hunger can spark conflict. Across Africa, a living wall of trees is rising, shielding soil, feeding people, and pulling carbon back into the earth. In the oceans, even sunken steel becomes the foundation for new life, reefs that revive ecosystems and draw down carbon. And soon, forests of machines, mechanical trees, may stand beside real ones, breathing in carbon faster than nature ever could. From cooling volcanoes to capturing carbon, these choices could mean survival or collapse. From space, Earth looks fragile, a thin blue film wrapped around a glowing sphere. Even clean energy has a hidden cost. Every what we use becomes heat. Imagine solar farms, not on deserts, but in orbit, soaking up sunlight without interruption. Space-based solar power, beaming energy to Earth through microwaves and lasers. But the ultimate solution isn't just sending power down, it's moving energy-intensive industry up. A highway to the stars, the space elevator, tethered from Earth to orbit. Laser-powered climbers could replace rockets, cutting launch costs to a fraction. And then comes the orbital ring, a vast wire circling the Earth, with levitating platforms above it. Skyhooks, hanging cities, and travel across Earth in hours. A civilization built in orbit. By moving growth into space, we protect Earth and open a new frontier among the stars. Sometimes, the fate of the world rests not in space, but in the frozen silence of Earth's poles. This is Thwaites, Antarctica's Doomsday Glacier. If it falls, seas could rise by 10 feet, drowning cities across the world. Engineers propose a wall beneath the sea, a barrier to shield the glacier, and by centuries of time. Far to the north, the Arctic melts at a pace we have never seen before. One vision, pumps that spray seawater into the polar night, freezing instantly to rebuild the ice sheet. Another, solar umbrellas that shield the ice from sunlight and use that same energy to create more of it. Perhaps the greatest tools aren't machines at all, but life itself, redesigned as technology. Scientists are working to revive the woolly mammoth, not as spectacle, but to restore ancient grasslands that lock away greenhouse gases. From machines beneath the sea to biology reborn in the lab, each tool is designed not to conquer nature, but to heal it. This is proactive planetary management, humanity as custodian, protecting the home that gave us life and carrying it safely into the future.